Alright, so for tool report 2, I decided to do Marvel App, which is a website or app used to design an app. And so right here, I already created an account and started a little prototype here in my project. I basically just got a picture of a stud finder, camera, and a leveler, and I designed this main screen for my app right here. So it shows over here that you can add images from a computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive or Box, or you can come into here and design, which I already did for my main screen. You can type it in here, and also to the right over here, you can actually choose different colors of your text. You can change your fonts, you can change your font size, and you can also add shapes and lines, and you also upload pictures from your computer that you can add into your screens. So that's pretty easy. I like that. You have a lot of freedom over there. And I also like how you can get into a play mode over here with all of your screens that you made. So just jumping right into it. This right here would be my main screen that I created. It tells me to select a feature, stud finder, leveler, or AR feature. So this is what the leveler screen would look like, and this would prompt the user to take a picture of this object in the wall, and this would be the stud finder. So I do like how easy it is and how nice the display looks in this app, but I also don't think that I will be able to get anything to function here, because I will need to, unless I upgrade to a pro version, which is right here in the handoff. It says upgrade to access handoff and transform designs into code, specs, and assets for developers. So upgrading will definitely either bridge, link a design to a functioning app, or design to a functioning app that's actually developed. So that's a part of round tripping for this app, I guess, that you have to purchase a pro version if you want to be able to do all the features. But I still think I can accomplish a pretty nice design with this app, and I would recommend it for people who are just trying to design something and make it look nice. And this is a pretty nice display right here that shows you what your app would look like on an iPhone. So yeah, for designing, not for developing, but still very friendly, user friendly, and very nice, and I would recommend it to a lot of people. And that's all I have for you guys.